how to delete any chat from your ChatGPT history. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete any chat from your ChatGPT history. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the ChatGPT app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, make sure that you are signed in to your Google account if you haven't already. And with that, what you can do is you can just go to the Chats tab by tapping on the two dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now from here, just below the recents section, you'll see all the chat history that you have done so far on the chat GPT. And now here, to delete any chat from your chat GPT history, what you have to do is you simply have to find the chat that you want to delete. And once you've found that, you can just press and hold that chat. And once you do that, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, you can just tap on delete, and after that, a confirmation message will pop up. From there, you can just tap on delete again to confirm. And with that, the selected chat will be permanently removed from your chat history and can't be recovered. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.